how to change font style on iPhone. So if you want to change your font style on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. From your settings, you need to just scroll down, go with the general section. Under general, if you scroll down again, then you will have fonts. Tap on fonts and then go with system fonts. Under your system fonts, you can scroll all the way down, or you can just simply scroll down and you can download any font that you're comfortable with, or you can just simply go with a font that is already downloaded. Like for example, I'll just simply go with a random font. Once you tap on the random font, your font has already been changed. You can just go back, and here you need to go with accessibility section. Under accessibility, you will have accessories, you will have keyboards and typing. So you need to select that option, which is right here, keyboards and typing, and hover typing, which will be on the first. You need to go and turn this on. And now you can go with font, which is default. Now you can select any font that you are comfortable with, and if you go back, your font will be changed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.